Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic that's shaking up the professional world: how AI is transforming the job market. Whether you're excited or anxious about this shift, it's crucial to understand what's happening and how you can navigate these changes. First, let's talk about some jobs AI has already replaced. Data entry clerks. AI can quickly and accurately input data, making human data entry almost obsolete. Customer service representatives. Chatbots and virtual assistants now handle many customer inquiries, especially those common questions we all have. Bookkeepers and accountants. AI tools can manage bookkeeping, generate financial reports, and even handle some aspects of tax preparation. And in manufacturing, robots and automated systems perform repetitive tasks more efficiently than humans ever could. But it's not just about the jobs that have been replaced. There are also roles currently at risk. Administrative and executive secretaries. AI can schedule meetings, manage emails, and perform other admin tasks. Financial analysts. AI algorithms are getting better at analyzing financial data and predicting market trends. Legal assistants and paralegals. AI can conduct legal research and draft documents, and even media content creation is seeing a shift, with AI tools generating articles, social media posts, and creative content. So what does this mean for you? While AI is transforming many roles, it's also creating new opportunities in fields like AI and machine learning, data analysis, and digital transformation. It's essential to stay adaptable and continuously develop new skills to thrive in this evolving job market. Here's how you can adapt your career to these AI changes. First, upskill and reskill. Learn AI and machine learning, develop technical skills, and understand data. Next, embrace lifelong learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and continuously educate yourself. Enhance your soft skills too. Cultivate adaptability, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. Consider exploring AI-aligned careers. Look at roles in AI and data science or interdisciplinary fields. And don't forget to gain practical experience. Work on AI-related projects, internships, and collaborate with AI communities. By taking these steps, you can position yourself to thrive in an AI-driven job market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more latest updates. See you in the next video.